I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make private YouTube videos public in under 1 minute. So better keep watching to the end. Let's start by opening your YouTube channel, then go for the option right here. It's YouTube Studio. Click on it. Then go for content, the second left option. And you will find a bunch of videos that you can change or edit. Let's say I want to make this private video onto public. I just have to click here, then public and publish. Or if you have many videos, you can select all of the videos that you want to make it public, then go for edits, visibility, from private to public, and update videos. Like so, I understand, and update videos. Close, give it some time. And as you can see, the video right now is public. I hope this guide was helpful. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.